Dialogue 1. In the Beauty Salon. Hello, Nancy. How are you?
Hello, Jane. I am fine.
I'm going to the salon.
That sounds great. What for?
I want a haircut today.
A new style? That's exciting.
Yes, I want something fresh.
Do you have a style in mind?
I'm thinking of a bob.
A bob looks so chic.
Do you think it suits me?
I believe it will suit you.
I'm a little nervous about it.
Don't worry, it will be beautiful.
I trust you, Nancy. Thank you.
You're welcome. You'll look amazing.
I'll also get a facial.
Oh, that sounds relaxing.
Yes, I need to refresh.
I recommend a deep clean facial.
That sounds perfect for me.
I hope you enjoy the treatment.
I'm sure I will.
Have you tried the manicure?
Not yet, but I want to.
It's very relaxing and fun.
I think I'll try it today.
You will love the result.
I feel so pampered already.
Enjoy your time at the salon.
Dialogue 2. At the barber shop.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thanks.
I would like a haircut today.
Of course, what kind of style?
I want a short trim.
How short would you like it?
Maybe just an inch shorter.
All right, I will trim it.
Please make the sides shorter.
Sure, I'll trim the sides now.
Can you leave the top longer?
Yes, I'll keep the top long.
I like a neat, clean look.
I'll make sure it looks clean.
Can you also shape my beard?
Sure, would you like a shave?
No, just a little trim.
All right, I'll shape it carefully.
Please make the edges sharp.
I'll make sure it looks sharp.
How long will the haircut take?
It will take about 15 minutes.
Great, I have time for it.
Thank you for being patient.
No problem, I enjoy your work.
I'm glad to hear that.
Do you also offer shaving services?
Yes, I offer a full shave.
Maybe next time I'll try that.
I look forward to it, John.
Dialogue 3. In the gym.
Hello, Jim. How are you?
Hi, John. I'm doing well.
Are you ready to work out?
Yes, I'm ready now.
What exercise are you doing?
I will do some cardio.
I will start with weights.
Sounds good. What weights today?
I will use light dumbbells.
How many sets will you do?
I will do 3 sets.
How many reps in each set?
I will do 12 reps.
I will run on the treadmill.
How long will you run?
I will run for 30 minutes.
That sounds like a good plan.
How often do you work out?
I work out 4 times weekly.
That's a good routine, John.
What about your diet, Jim?
I try to eat healthy food.
Do you eat before exercising?
Yes, I eat a small snack.
What snack do you eat?
I eat a banana or yogurt.
I prefer protein shakes before workouts.
That's a good choice too.
Should we stretch after working out?
Yes, stretching is very important, John.
Dialogue 4. Dinner time. Hello, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Jane. I'm doing well.
I'm making dinner this weekend.
Oh, that sounds great, Jane.
Would you like to join me?
I would love to, thank you.
What time are you free?
I'm free at 6 p.m.
Perfect. Dinner will be at 6.
What will you be making?
I will cook spaghetti tonight.
I love spaghetti. It's delicious.
Great. I'm glad you like it.
Will you make dessert too?
Yes, I'll make chocolate cake.
Yummy. Chocolate cake is my favorite.
I will make a salad, too.
I love salad with pasta.
I'll set the table for us.
That's very kind of you, Jane.
I enjoy hosting dinners for friends.
I'm happy you invited me.
I'm happy you can come.
What should I bring, Jane?
You can bring some drinks.
I'll bring sparkling water, okay?
Sounds perfect. I'll see you then.
I'm looking forward to it.
Me too, it will be fun.
Yes, I can't wait for dinner.
Dialogue 5. Cleaning.
Hello, Jane. How are you?
Hi, Helen. I'm doing well.
I'm cleaning my house today.
That sounds like a big job.
Yes, it's a lot of work.
Can I help you clean?
Of course, that would be great.
What should I start with?
Please, start by dusting the shelves.
I will dust the shelves now.
Thank you, Jane. I appreciate it.
No problem. I enjoy cleaning.
That's wonderful. I will mop the floor.
I'll also clean the windows here.
Be careful with the glass, Jane.
I will be very careful, Helen.
The kitchen needs cleaning, too.
I will wash the dishes then.
Thank you for helping, Jane.
It's my pleasure, Helen.
Almost done with the cleaning now.
Great. We're almost finished, right?
Yes, just a few more things.
Do you want to relax now?
Let's have a barbecue tonight.
A barbecue sounds perfect for dinner.
I'll prepare the grill for cooking.
I'll set the table outside, Helen.
The food will be ready soon.
I'm excited for the barbecue tonight. Dialogue 6. Watching TV. Hello, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Jane. I'm doing great.
What are you doing today?
I'm going to watch Netflix.
Oh, what movie will you watch?
I want to watch a comedy.
That sounds fun. I agree.
I love comedy movies so much.
Me too. Which movie, though?
Have you seen The Elevator?
No, I haven't seen that.
It's really funny. You should try.
I'll check it out tonight.
Let me know if you like it.
Of course, I'll text you.
What time are you free tonight?
I'm free at 7 p.m.
That's perfect. I'll watch too.
Great. We can talk later.
Yes, we can share thoughts.
I love watching movies with friends.
Me too. It makes it fun.
Do you like action movies?
Yes, sometimes I like action.
What's your favorite action movie?
Fast and Furious is amazing.
That's a good one. I agree.
It has great car chase scenes.
I love the exciting car stunts.
Let's watch The Elevator first.
Dialogue 7. Tutoring.
Hello, Jane. How are you?
Hi John, I'm doing well.
I have an English tutor today.
Oh, that's great. Who is it?
My tutor's name is Anna.
How long have you been studying?
I've been studying for 2 months.
That's good. How is it going?
It's going well, I think.
What do you study with Anna?
We study grammar and vocabulary.
Does she help with speaking skills?
Yes, we practice speaking every week.
That's useful for improving your English.
I agree. She's very helpful.
How do you feel about English?
I feel more confident now.
That's awesome. How do you practice?
I practice speaking with Anna daily.
Do you also do homework?
Yes, I do homework every day.
What kind of homework do you do?
I write short essays and exercises.
That's a great way to learn.
It really helps me understand better.
Do you enjoy learning English now?
Yes, I'm starting to enjoy it.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thanks, Jane. I appreciate your support.
You're welcome. Keep up the good work. Dialogue 8. Family pet.
Hi, Jane, how are you?
Hi Sarah, I am good.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your dog's name?
His name is Rocky.
That is a nice name.
Thank you. He is very playful.
What does he look like?
He is small and brown.
How old is Rocky now?
He is 2 years old.
Does he like going outside?
Yes, he loves the park.
Do you walk him daily?
Yes, I walk him daily.
What does he like eating?
He likes chicken and rice.
That sounds really delicious.
Yes, he eats very fast.
Can he do any tricks?
Yes, he can sit and roll.
That is really fun.
Yes, I love teaching him.
Does he sleep inside?
Yes, he sleeps in bed.
Rocky is a lucky dog.
Yes, he is very spoiled.
I want to meet Rocky.
Come tomorrow and meet him. Dialogue 9. Weekend plan.
Hi, Jane, any weekend plans?
Hi Sarah, yes, I do.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm going to the beach.
That sounds fun and relaxing.
Yes, I love the beach.
Who is going with you?
My brother and my cousin.
How will you get there?
We will drive in my car.
What time will you leave?
We will leave at 8 o'clock.
What will you do there?
We will swim and play volleyball.
Will you eat at the beach?
Yes, we will have a picnic.
What food will you bring?
Sandwiches, fruits, and cold drinks.
That sounds really delicious.
Yes, I am very excited.
Will you stay there long?
Yes, until the evening time.
Will you watch the sunset?
Yes, the sunset is very beautiful.
I want to join you.
Yes, please come with us.
That would be so great.
I will tell my brother.
I will pack my things.
See you tomorrow, Sarah. Dialogue 10. Birthday party.
Hi Sarah, how are you today?
Hi, John, I'm great.
Are you free this Saturday?
Yes, I am free. Why?
It's my birthday party.
That sounds so exciting, John.
Yes, I am very happy.
Where is the birthday party?
It's at my house.
What time does it start?
It starts at 6 o'clock.
Who is coming to the party?
My family and my close friends.
What will we do there?
We will eat and play games.
That sounds like so much fun.
Yes, we will have music.
Will there be a birthday cake?
Yes, a big chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake is my favorite cake.
That is great to hear.
What gift do you want?
Anything will make me happy.
I will bring a surprise.
Thank you. That is so kind.
I am excited for Saturday.
Me too. It will be fun.
I will see you then.
Yes, see you on Saturday.
Happy early birthday, John.